Welcome to A Date with My Ferns. I hope you enjoy meeting them. Hi Fronds, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I'm Christine. I just got these two new ferns recently and I just wanted to share them with you. I found them in Sky Nursery here in Seattle. If you live in the area, check out Sky Nursery. They have a great selection of ferns. So this is the eyelash fern, which is really cute. Its scientific name is Actineopteris, and it has been putting out new growth. Pretty happy. I got it actually for half price, so it's only $6. What a deal! But yeah, the fronds are really cute. It's been pretty easy to care for. I did read online that it could be a little fussy, but my humidity isn't super high, so it seems to be all right. Moving on to our next beauty. This is the Adiantum macrophyllum. The fronds on this one really remind me of the maidenhair fern, just like super sized. I love the blush on the new growth, so it's definitely grown a little bit since I got it. So that's been beautiful to watch. And also been super easy. I planted these three together about a week ago. Yeah, I figured having them closer together, first of all, makes it a lot easier for me to just water them, but it helps keep the moisture as well, or maintain the moisture. The last one in this pot is the golden zebra fern, and I really love the stripes. I fell in love the first time I saw it and I brought it home. It was love at first sight. The only thing about this fern is that it has the rhizome part is on top and you can't let it get wet, otherwise it will rot. And I already had a case of mold on it, and I sprinkled some baking soda on top, and that did help cure it. There's a lot of new growth on the macrophyllum, and just love watching the little fronds unswirl. It is planted in mainly cocoa peat. I reused a lot of the peat that it came with. I hope you enjoyed your date with the fern. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, let me know in the comments below. Next, I would like to thank all of you for your support. We as a community have been able to raise $16 million for Black Lives Matter.
100.
What?
$1,600.
Oh, $1,600. Your support means a lot to me, and I look forward to having more conversations with you in the future. Next, I would like to read a couple comments from my last video. Sandy Wall writes, "Hi, did you use filtered or distilled water, and did you add any nutrients? I actually used tap water and I did not use any nutrients for the first time." Joshua Claude writes, "Love the video. When and what to fertilize when using this setup? I actually didn't use any fertilizer in the beginning, and then I flushed it out and changed all the water and added some liquid dirt." And lastly, I want to thank Lisa for her support. She is over on Itty Bitty Ladybug if you want to check her out on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy growing.